Hello teachers, today we are going to teach you about how to update the class progress if in today's class you are continuing with the previous class PPT. Also, you are starting the new chapter. Also, we will teach you about here how to open the previous class PPT and the new PPT in the class. So for this, teacher have to log into the Swiftlearn admin panel. We will show you now. So here, this is a Swiftlearn admin panel. Teacher have to log in here from their register contact number as a username and the password and click on the login. So once you will click on the login, this page will be open. Now here in the left hand side, teacher will get so many options. Teacher have to drag this down, and after that teacher will get the option for the class. Now teacher have to click on the class. After that teacher have to click on the future class. Once you will click on the future class, here this page will be open. Now here teacher have to apply the date range. While applying the date range, teacher have to click here a single click and wait for 2-3 seconds. This calendar will be open. Here in the calendar, teacher have to select today's date only. So while selecting any single date, teacher have to click two times. Why? One is for date range start and one is for date range end. Now here, why we are seeing today's date only? Because as a Swiftlearn, we are creating the class only for the same day. After selecting this date as a two time, click on the OK and apply. So once you will click on the apply, scroll this down, this dashboard will be open. Now, just have a look. These are the classes. So we will explain you first how to open the new PPT and the previous class PPT. Then we will teach you about how to update the class progress. Now, suppose today on the 13th of January, you have this class and we have given you this PPT, and this PPT contains 20 slides, but you are not completing the 20 slide. You are ending with 15 or 16 slide. So after the class, you have to update the class attendance and progress. In progress, you have to mark chapter completion in progress and homework given, mark lesson not yet complete and homework not given, and update the class. So once you will done with your work, after that, my Soflan team will mark your class as a completed and we will shift your class into a past class. So every new class you will receive in future class, and after that, once you will done with your work, we are shifting your class into a past class. Now you don't have any class into a future class. Now the same class you have on 15th of January. So this is our class for 15th of January. On the same day again, we will send you the notification for the class and you have to log in on the Swiftlearn admin panel. You have to acknowledge the class. So once you will acknowledge the class, after that, in the 15th of January class, whatever the PPT we will give you, we're gonna attach here new PPT from which you have to teach. So basically this is a link. Once you will click on this link, it will open into a new tab. So before starting this new chapter in today's class, teacher have to continue with the previous class PPT first, and from where they will get it from the past class. So first teacher have to click on this link, open this PPT into a new tab. After that, here in the left hand side, teacher will get the option for the past class. So click on the past class, and now teacher have to apply the date range. So for the date range, teacher have to click here on this line, a single click, and after that, this calendar will be open. So here, suppose the last class teacher have taken on 11th of January. So while selecting any single date, teacher have to click two times. Why? One is for date range start, one is for date range end. After clicking two times, teacher have to click on the OK and apply. Once you will click on the OK and apply, from the gray bar, drag this down. Now here in the dashboard, you will get all the classes for that particular day. In your account, maybe you have the slot 3 or 4 slot or 2 slot for that day, you will get it. So it is easier for you to find out. Now suppose this is your last class which you have taken. Now scroll this into a right side. So here again you will get the links. So what teacher have to do, they have to click on this link also. Now teacher have two PPT, one which we have given you on the new class, that is on 15th of January class, and one which you have opened from the past class. Now After opening both the link, teacher again have to go to the future class, find out your today's class and join the class. Why? In past class, there is no option for joining the class. Always teacher have to join the class from the today's class, from the future class. Now teacher have to click on the join and enter in the class. After that, first teacher have to continue this previous class PPT, and after that simply change your tab and start teaching the new PPT. Now whenever you're ending with the class, simply notify to the student that today I'm going to assign the homework from the previous class PPT. Why? In this class you are completing the previous class lesson 1, not the current one. As per us, on completion of every lesson plan, teacher have to assign the homework. Now once you will be done with the class, go to the past class, apply the date range whatever the class you have taken on that day. Now for the class, teacher have to assign the homework from add homework tab and update the class progress. How? Click on the progress, and here in the chapter completion mark completed, leave this column blank and update the class, right? So that means for past class, two things teacher have to do, homework and progress. And now for the future class, whatever the class we have assigned you today on 15th of January, for that teacher have to update two things. Teacher have to update the attendance from this attendance column and progress. How? Click on the progress here, go with the third option stating that completed new started. So this means here teacher is acknowledging to the Swift Learn that in this class I have completed a chapter and started a new one. So here mark this. If you have started the new chapter for this class but you are not completing, so that means this chapter is in progress. So if the chapter is in progress, no need to sign the homework. Then again go with the third option stating that lesson not yet complete, hence homework not given, and update the class. So in this way you can update the class progress for the past class and for the today's class. Thank you.